The two finest chefs of the entire world have entered the building. We're only joking. Me and Tyler are very inexperienced chefs. In terms of experience level, you start out here when you're a baby. Master Chef Gordon Ramsay's up here. I would say I'm right here. Tyler, I would say you're right here. Would you agree?
I would agree with that.
In the kitchen, Tyler, this is what I see when I see you in the kitchen.
God damn it. Yeah.
That is what you turn into. When Tyler enters the kitchen, this is what he becomes. Dude, I got it. He's fucking off the ground. Broke something.
It just broke the plate.
So today, me and Tyler are gonna be trying to bake a cake. I've really been enjoying the food videos. Never baked a cake. We have zero baking. Do you have a bake? I've never baked. I just assumed.
No, I've never baked a cake before.
Cake. Let's find a recipe. So I honestly have zero idea what we're gonna do. Oh, should we do a Minecraft cake?
What makes you want to do a Minecraft
I don't know.
cake so bad? We can't make it taste good. We're for sure gonna make it look good.
Yeah. You see how they have little characters? I want edible characters that we make. That's it. Peppa Pig? Did I just see Peppa Pig cake with figures?
Those are trash.
Should we try to make a Peppa Pig cake?
Not Peppa.
Wait, we can make Peppa Pig.
Why do you want to make?
Bro, that would be so lit.
Fine, it's fine.
This is our inspiration. How to make fondant.
You want to go from not making anything, not even the cake, to making fondant and the cake?
So we need a bunch of different color fondants. First of all, we need to know how to bake a cake. So let's just look up how to make a simple cake.
A basic, like as basic as it gets.
Okay, this has great reviews. Okay, what about a basic vanilla cake for the base? And then we go crazy with the fondant.
I'm more of a chocolate guy. What's the consensus down below?
So we're gonna go with the basic vanilla. You know, we're not even gonna look at the instructions right now. We're just gonna take a picture of the ingredients. For the people who don't know what Peppa the Pig is.
And this is Daddy Pig.
This is why I like
It's
that.
playtime.
What are you doing to our playground?
We're digging it up. Hello.
This is
amazing.
Zombie sound
Explore
effects.
your park.
That sounds very interesting, Daddy Pig.
That's pretty good. I'm looking forward to this cake.
Let's go bake this goddamn cake. We need to get literally everything we need for this. We're getting some pans to bake the cake in. Yeet. We need something to mix our cake together. That looks like a cake batter to me. Yeet. Do we get some sprinkles, Mo?
Why would we not get sprinkles?
We always need sprinkles.
But sprinkles are great. Sprinkles are great.
Let's get
Some frosting is great too, right?
Oh yeah. Let's just get the different gels. We don't know what we're gonna run into on this mission. Is this edible? I hope so.
I hope.
Look, this is cake baking section 101. I feel like we need everything from here. We probably need a measuring thing, huh? We don't have one of these. We definitely need this.
This big
snag
thing?
it. Yeah.
This whole thing?
Snag it.
All right.
All right, next, sugar. That's what the ladies call Mopi.
I have a girlfriend.
One lady, never mind. Everyone was born from one of these. Sometimes, if you just leave them, a human will come out.
I don't want no humans.
Find me some whole milk.
Holiest or the holiest?
The holiest.
This guy's looking pretty holy to me.
Half and half organic. Oh, it's whole.
Oh,
It's the whole milk.
The whole milk, yeah.
Get the whole entire milk, not half of it.
No, we got the
Get
whole
the whole thing. We need some granulated white sugar. Granulated. Oh, it's cane. Is that okay?
Yeah. It's cane, it's fine. We're so inexperienced.
So we have butter, we need vanilla, and we need flour, we need leavening, and salt.
There's a lot to bake a cake.
Wait, flour, right here. Cake flour. That's it. We'll just get this.
Yeah.
Yeah, cake flour.
That's good.
Love that. Throw that in there.
I think we're making pretty good progress.
Wait, what are these, bro? What are these?
Frosting, right?
This is gel.
It's like edible though.
All right. Should we get frosting? We're just gonna buy frosting. Copping some frosting.
We need.
Tyler, you wanted chocolate. We could have chocolate in the middle.
Throw it in there. Throw it in there. Give me that.
You want milk chocolate or chocolate? We also need leavening. I feel like we're gonna find that over here. Oh, which one do we go for? Let's get a nice one. We make nice, expensive cakes here. We're gonna sell this for $300. We're getting the...
You trying to buy the most bougie vanilla extract and think it's gonna make the cake better?
No, bro, that's a game changer right there, Mo. You don't know
Okay.
about that
Alright,
high quality vanilla extract. Don't make me raise my voice and rouse. The last ingredient we're getting is some salt. We're gonna turn all of this to one beautiful, beautiful, scrumptious cake.
Dude, so much goes into making one cake.
Still gotta get all the fondant to make the little Peppa characters. Let's check out. We have gone all the way to Michael's. We're picking up the fondant to make the little Peppas. You know, add some detailing. Ah, I found it.
Dude, this is
They're
how you
so
buy
small.
it.
We're gonna need so much.
We can get tools too.
We can get eyeballs for them. Give me the fondant. Give it to me.
Fondant.
Give me the fondant. Feed me, daddy. We're definitely gonna need some eyes.
Are we trying to make it look exactly like the cake?
Mostly like the other cake.
I don't like being limited by another picture. I think a blue cake would be cool. Oh yeah, we could have this be the sky and this be the grass or something. We need like one of those. We need one cutter for sure.
Exacto knife. I think we need a roller.
That's a fondant roller right there.
We're starting to realize this is like a $250 cake, almost a $300 cake. So this better be the best damn cake I've ever had in my life.
Or it must look like a piece of art. It better look beautiful.
Yeah,
If we're
facts.
putting all this into it.
Beautiful.
It will. It will. We're not. It's not an if. It will.
We're the best bakers alive. I love going in Michael's during the holiday season. Do you get that? Get the whiff?
I'm Jewish. I don't smell anything.
Right now, we look like rookies, Tyler. We look like
You look like a rookie.
We
in
look
that
like
shirt.
nooblets.
You look like a. This is a cooking shirt. You don't even know.
Keep calm and bake on. You want to get this one? Queen of the Grill?
Oh yeah, that speaks to me. Give me this.
So, I got the tutorial up here. Step 1, put on your aprons.
Keep calm and bake on.
Yeah, that's right. We're gonna keep calm today. There's gonna be no screaming, no loud noises. Ah, Jesus! It doesn't even say anything. Wow!
No.
It's supposed to say stuff. We got clickbaited.
That's an actual scam. Yours is already starting out shitty.
What do you mean? Bro, I would love to wear this. Mine's gonna say Cake King. Oh yeah, wow. Yours, that's a nice paintbrush. Is he doing what I think he's doing?
How's yours coming along?
Honestly, not the best, actually.
I'm pretty happy.
I'm like, once I liked mine until I saw yours and I got extremely jealous.
Star, smiley face, this is trash.
Cake King Jess. Wanted to be Jess, but my Z came out the wrong direction. Alright. Lightly grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans and line the bottoms with parchment paper. What does lightly grease mean? Does that mean, I think that means just stick some butter all over it.
Yeah.
Here, you get one and I'll get one. And then I think we put the parchment paper after. Isn't your mom a baker?
And did not run in the blood.
This is your time to shine. Lightly. You're not shredding the damn butter on it. Tyler, the sides, like this. Easy, easy.
Oh, you sweat? I don't, what is this?
What are you doing?
I'm
You
buttering
need
the
better
sides.
form. Okay, lightly grease and flour. Did we not buy flour?
Is the cake mix or the flour?
I thought this was the cake mix.
Wait, we need flour and cake batter, right?
Yeah, it looks like flour. I'm just gonna add a little bit, okay? We're putting the flour in.
With the parchment paper.
Do you think we should put the parchment paper first?
It's fine, it's fine. It should be good.
I don't know what I'm doing.
No, that is not right.
Let's just put the parchment paper.
Why would we put the parchment paper over the flour?
Where are we putting it then?
Oh, this should work, yeah. Oh, it is. Okay, I see you. That's nice.
Look at us. Who would have thought?
Not me.
Damn. Look at us. Damn it. Progress. Oh, you look bloody.
Dude, I just put my hands on my stomach and forgot that it was wet paint.
Okay, so now we cream the butter and the sugar together. 1 cup of butter, 2 cups of sugar, 3 cups of flour, and 4 eggs. Remember that. Why I got this thing.
I actually knew that much too, that the butter does display how many cups or slices, like it shows it.
It's a half cup, so we need 2 things of butter.
Yep, good stuff.
Just manhandling this butter right now. Okay, this is half a cup of butter. Butter number 2.
Yes.
Step number 2 is 2 cups of sugar. Line me up. Okay, a little bit more. Jesus. I would say that's 1 cup. You know what? I feel like we probably should have like cut the butter a little bit.
That seems hard to work with, honestly.
Yeah. Dude, does that feel like a lot of sugar or am I tripping, bro? That is too much sugar. So just a little extra sugar.
That cake is so unhealthy. Like, what?
I'm cutting the butter now. Probably shouldn't have cut the butter while it's in the sugar, but... The butter wasn't room temperature. We just realized that. We're gonna throw it in the microwave, make it room temp real quick. Tyler, what's going on, man?
I don't get it. I'm not doing it right.
Tyler. Come on,
Bro.
I'm getting constricted cookie. Oh. Tyler, help. It's like going crazy. Bro, what are you doing? We definitely need a microwave. We need a microwave. Oh yeah. Dude, it kind of looks like Parmesan cheese, but like the chunky one. I don't want to take a bite out of it. It's just sugar and butter. Trying it? I think that might be nasty. We had eggs. 4 eggs. Mopi. This is how you do a perfect egg crack. Are y'all ready?
Wait, what? Really?
You see me. Was that not clean? No, that was not clean, but it worked. Clean crack?
Definitely
Definitely not.
Be careful. Get out of there, little guy. All right, we're good. Now it's time to add in our very expensive Spice Islands Vanilla Pure extract of the all natural with no corn syrup. Dude, we used a half cup too much sugar.
Half a cup?
This shit's gonna be vanilla.
All right, mix it, and I'm gonna slowly add it. A piece got on your hair. Wait, let's get some to the other.
Okay. We're givers.
Dude, it smells, the smell right now, it's like heavy vanilla goodness is what I'm smelling.
Dude, it really is pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, dude. Wait, is it gonna rise? Like, I'm so confused.
I feel like it's gonna rise. What kind of
gonna-
question is that? All right, let's do that to the other side first. Look at that. You gotta get all of the cake in there.
Anything we waste in this bowl is just cake gone to waste.
Yeah,
like, it
it's
could be
just
bigger.
not eating cake.
Yeah. Is this safe to eat? No, I'm not gonna do that.
This is super important. Bake for 20 or 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with a few moist crumbs attached. Take care not to over bake. Check the cake in 15 minutes to see how it's doing and judge the timing from there.
If you would have said that like a normal human being and like I couldn't focus. I don't know what you were saying. What?
We're putting the cakes in the oven. We'll do the toothpick test at 20 minutes. Do you know how that works?
Nope.
I don't either. We're gonna set a 20-minute timer on my phone. Tyler, are you okay? All right, 20-minute timer. Let's just get the frosting ready to go. Don't tell me we have to make something. Like, this is already made, right? Ooh!
Test the quality of our frosting.
Right, no.
That's super rich. It's so rich. Oh my god.
They're both?
That's a lot to
Dude, these
handle.
literally look like Play-Dohs. While our cake is cooking, we're gonna begin making our characters. I'm gonna make Daddy Pig. Dude, I wanna know how they got their hands right. Like, gotta get a proper ball going. You know what I'm saying, for his stomach?
Bro, what's going on here?
Ew!
What is going on here? Why is it like that?
What? Ew!
This one is so sus. Why does it have watch? Yo, that does not look healthy.
I think that's the inside of it. Dude, we're missing some important colors. We need an orange. Ready? This is how you mess with the fondant. Squeeze. That's a play of the game.
Oh, bro! Dude, what are these blotches on this one for?
Latin. You gotta get a little dirty in the fondant game, Hope.
Oh. It's fun to play with at least. It's sticking more and more as I play with it. I don't want this one here.
I don't want that.
I need to work. I got a lot on my plate right now.
You just put a lot on my plate.
Yeah, well, team effort.
Anger is not gonna help it. Right now we are trying to make their heads. How do they do that? This might be a little big.
Are you attaching something onto it or are you just warping it to make the nose? You're warping it? Okay,
I'm warping
I see you.
it.
Oh no.
That head's a little big, bro. The head is.
Dude,
this might not be the big.
What the f is that? What are we gonna do to make that better? It's so bad.
Give me a little fail. Where are the eyes? The eyes are gonna be really helpful. Oh, that looks delicious. I'm making his glasses right now. I have so much respect for bakers now.
They're pretty good at what they do.
Okay, where are the eyeballs?
It's going down.
Nose! No! Bro, low-key, I slayed his glasses. Low-key coming together!
Hey.
Is he done? What are you
Oh no! That looks really good.
What? We're killing. What is that body, man? Oh, dude, it's so depressing. How did they do that? I think it's because we microwaved it, Tyler. We microwaved it way too long. My girlfriend, you know, she's a big Peppa fan. She inspired me to make this, and she said, Max put the fondant in the microwave for 5 seconds. I ignored it.
Bro, we really didn't listen to that. She was right. I got a hand.
That's not a hand, my guy. That's a claw. That's a claw. Ew, look at his foot. Oh!
He's got a...
Oh,
Bro, he's
no.
got a chicken foot. He's got a chicken foot.
We're gonna transform this into a tail.
I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother.
We'll see what Rick does with this.
I can't do anything with this. This is literally horrifying.
This one looks terrified. I didn't see that. Ooh, wait a second. I think that's almost good to take out, huh?
I think if it comes out clean, then it means it's overcooked, so we're good.
I think we're good. Yeah, we should take it out.
All right, boom. Oh my God, our 2 cakes are done.
What about the paper? It's inside the cake.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Wait, remove from pan and cool completely on wire rack. We need to cool it down, and this is heating it up. Oh, let's go.
Okay.
Hey!
Wait, we should flip it over. What are
Dude,
you
the
trying to do?
paper. Let's go. Oh, it's at a weird angle. It's at a really weird angle.
I'm trying to like push it back on the plate. What are we doing with it right now? What are we
Bro,
doing?
this is like red alert. It's like falling.
What are we trying to do? It's on the side.
Oh my God, it's falling. Yes! Okay. Ow, son of a bitch. Nice, nice. Nice!
Stuff. We should have like a final presentation.
Mother sandwich cock. Alright, it is time to add our frosting. That doesn't fit.
That's good. That's good.
It doesn't fit. Now we're gonna fill this bag with our icing. Nice.
Get it in there. I was gonna say something.
What were you gonna say?
Well, I was gonna be like, stuff that cream in that bag.
Why would that ever be sus?
In my bag.
You got. Oh, let's go.
Hey, it worked.
You're gonna run out, Captain.
Let's
That looks so good.
Let's go. Let's go, champ.
Oh, we are chilling. We got a lot of.
Let's go,
frosting.
champ. Love that. Love that.
Sprinkle filling.
The second cake is coming in hot.
Oh, make way.
Bro, this is a big cake.
That's a
It's
lot.
gonna be really rich. I can tell.
So much frosting.
You put it
dude.
in. You put it in.
And we put 2. How many cups of sugar did we use? Bro, you can't just hand it to me like that. What am I doing here? Wait, what am I doing here? I've started off horrible. I've started off.
Did you have a game plan or did you just go?
No, I really
Because
went.
you gotta have a game plan. Because failing to prepare.
I already went.
Failing to prepare is preparing to
I don't
fail.
know what this design is.
You just need to smooth it out.
Let me get the size a little bit.
Oh, this looks good.
Yeah, wait, that does.
Oh.
Okay, maybe some more here. Jesse, you gotta look at this side.
on right here.
Nothing is going on that side.
Dude, I don't understand how people make cakes. Like, I actually am very interested now. Like, I don't get this process at all.
Daddy pig, mommy pig. Hey!
Let's line the grass with the green.
Alright, you do it.
Oh!
Guys, we finished the cake. Check it out.
Shit, I think. Oh no! Oh no!
I'm proud of us, Tyler.
Who would have thought? This is the best part. We get to try the cake.
Dude, I don't want to cut it.
You got the first cut, Mo.
I feel bad cutting it. It's so beautiful.
It is.
We do gotta eat it though.
Yeah. Oh, they're all like cave it in. I never thought we'd get to this point. Oh!
No!
Oh my
no.
God! That's
No, I don't want him.
what?
You just dumped.
Where does I go? You gotta try a character.
I don't want to carry.
I found her eye.
I'll
It's
take this
suppressed.
one. I'll take this one. Wait, I'm gonna eat this dude in whole.
Wait, eat him on your cake? Oh, you're gonna try him? Eat him.
I might just eat him.
Oh my God.
Is it good? Let me get one of these.
I wouldn't do that. Bro. It's so nasty.
I don't eat pork.
Ew!
Are you guys ready? You try it?
I'm still chewing the dude.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. This is delicious. Bro, the cake part is delicious.
I don't think we could have cooked that any better.
Alright, you're unbiased. You didn't make this cake. What do you think? Bro, once you get that middle layer hitting, oh my goodness.
The texture's like really inconsistent.
Really?
Frosting in the middle's all melted. The frosting on top is like solid, and then the cake is kind of.
It's moist. I've actually never had a cake this good.
That's some, I don't know about that one. You're like a proud father of his son. That's hyping him up.
I want seconds.
Dude, I regret eating that dude. It was so nasty.
The main man, Trav, he witnessed the process. Try our cake. I need honest opinions.
It looks good. Oh god. You got a giant piece. You gotta eat all.
Yeah, the middle section hits different.
That's gonna be a good bite.
You love it?
That was a clean bite.
It's done?
Dude, honestly, it's actually pretty good.
Hey! Let's go! Dude, you gotta try one of these, bro. You can have daddy pig.
Dude, that thing's huge.
Ah!
I'd take a bite.
Just take the nose.
Alright.
Just take the nose. I wouldn't take the whole thing. That's a little intense. Poor soul.
That is not good.
What do you think, James? Rate it out of 10.
What is 5? 5 is average?
Your choice.
All right, if 5 is average, I give it like a 6.5.
Well, you can't have
Whoa.
a second slice. And I see you walking. I'm just kidding. You can have some more.